Okay, and in your articles we were on the page number 69, right? Okay, and I was telling you the different rules for the article, right? So we were on the names, right? Like I was talking about the name of the river and all, I have told you. Okay, then I have told you names of mountain ranges. Then I have told you names of the historical monuments, right? जैसे मैं लिख रही हूँ द ताजमहल, ओके, या मैंने बताया द रेड फोर्ट, ओके. सो दीज आर द monuments, okay. So what I am putting the in front of them, right? Then I have told you about the names of certain books if we are talking about, okay. So in that what we will put the, okay. अगर हम books की बात करें, ठीक है, तो the, what we will put the article, right? Okay, like the Bible है, the Ramayan, the Mahabharat, okay. So what I am putting the in front of them, right? Good morning everyone, okay, right? And with the names of the things unique for their kind, right? जो particular है, जो unique है, उनके आगे भी हम the put करेंगे. जैसे particular हो गया the sun, ठीक है, ये particular हो गया, ठीक है, the moon, ठीक है, ये क्या है, यूनिक है, काइंड ऑफ अ यूनिक थिंग इट इज, राइट? ऐसा नहीं है कि सन दो चार है, मून दो चार है, राइट? दे आर यूनिक फॉर देयर नेम्स, राइट? अर्थ, ओके, सन, अर्थ, ये सब क्या हो गया? These all are your unique names which is given over there. So what we are putting over there? The. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? The लगा रहे हैं, ठीक है? क्लियर? राइट? तो ये तो हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया जब हम बात कर रहे हैं आर्टिकल्स की वेयर वी आर पुटिंग द, ओके. हमें द कहाँ कहाँ पुट कर सकते हैं हम, जैसे कि हम द पुट कर सकते हैं फॉर द रिवर्स, फॉर द माउंटेन्स, फॉर द हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस, फॉर द सर्टेन बुक्स नेम्स, ओके, एंड इवन फॉर द यूनिक काइंड, राइट? तो यूनिक पर्टिकुलर थिंग है, उसके लिए भी हम द आर्टिकल को यूज कर रहे हैं. तो बेसिकली अगर हमें देखा जाए कि आर्टिकल को जब हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं, यूज कर रहे हैं डेफिनेट आर्टिकल, व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द, तो वो कहाँ कहाँ यूज हो रहा है? They will be denoted with a particular person or a thing. Then it is being denoted with a whole class of a thing we are talking about. For a river, mountain, then your historical places and your certain books names or your unique particular kind. Okay, unique name की जब हम बात करेंगे, unique kind की बात करेंगे, तब आएगा. तो ये तो आपको क्लियर हुआ सबको कि कहाँ पे हम लोग डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द यूज करें, वेयर वी आर यूजिंग द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ये क्लियर हुआ सबको? क्लियर हुआ? आयुषी, अनीश, अपूर्व, आर्यन, भव्य, दुर्मेश, कुशाल, लिपिका, नकुल, नव्या, नव्य प्रजापत, प्रतीक, उदय, आप सबको इतना समझ आया अभी कि द, बेसिकली द आर्टिकल हम कहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं, वेयर इट इज बीइंग यूज्ड, राइट? क्लियर टू एवरीवन? नो इश्यूज? Okay, now always remember that is identical when you are indefinite article a or an is used when something is mentioned for the first time. We use definite article the if it is mentioned again. Okay, example: a dog jumped. Oh, a dog jumped over the fence. The dog was hungry. Right. So these are the small things which you need to be remembered. Right. Now we will talk about no article is used when where we have to not use the article. Okay. ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे हम articles को use नहीं करेंगे. That is the omission of the article. Right. Okay. Okay. So number one is before most of the popular nouns, name of a people, city, country, or the continents, right? Like we will talk about India is a developing country. Okay, okay. When I'm talking about India is a developing country, so what is there before most popular nouns like your names, cities, countries, or the continent? So we are talking about the country. So this is being said to be and no article is used. That is the omission of the article. Okay, clear to everyone? Clear? Right? Like one more example is given, that is William Shakespeare was the great playwright and the poet. Right? Now what they are talking about, the names of the people. Okay, पोएट की हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर पीपल की, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे omission of article is there. Okay, that is no article is used. Then we talk about before languages. ठीक है, जब हम लैंग्वेजेस की बात कर रहे हैं वहां पे भी हमें आर्टिकल की जरूरत नहीं है. जैसे हिंदी इज माय मदर टंग. व्हेन आई एम सेइंग हिंदी इज माय मदर टंग, आई एम यूजिंग द लैंग्वेज, एंड व्हेन आई एम यूजिंग लैंग्वेज आई विल नॉट यूज द आर्टिकल. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? क्लियर? I studied English at college, right? I'm using the word English, so that means no article is being used over there, right? Then we'll talk about before names of the substances, right? हमारे कोई substances का name अगर हमारे पास है, before that no article is being used, right? Like gold and silver are used for make jewelry, right? Gold and silver are used to make jewelry. Okay, so what is there? Gold and silver, these are the substances. So no article is being used over here. Clear to everyone? Clear to everybody? Any issue? Clear? Okay, clear everyone? Aryan, Nakul, Navya. Okay, right. So कहाँ कहाँ पे आप आर्टिकल नहीं लगा रहे हो ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. You should know where the articles you are not need to put. Okay, there is no need of article in some of the sentences, right? Clear to everyone? Okay, now they are telling you, right? Substances के लिए हमने बात करी, फिर हम बात कर रहे हैं before your abstract noun like comparison and justice are the great human virtues. तो यहाँ पे भी हमने put नहीं करा like your honesty is the best policy. यहाँ पे भी हमने put नहीं करा. Why you are late, Ditya? Right? Then I'm talking about the relations. Okay, names of the relations like brother has arrived from Kolkata. Right? The relation is being mentioned over here, so there is no need of writing any article. Right? Father is still working in his office. So I'm denoting the father. I'm telling about the relation with him. So I will not put the article. Okay, then I'm saying before names of the meals. Right, breakfast is ready. We will not say the breakfast is ready and breakfast is ready or breakfast is ready. Okay, because there is no need before we are describing anything, that is we are describing the name of the meal. We are writing the name of the meal, right? Then what time do you have the lunch? Right. One more example it is given, what type of lunch you are having it. So the will not be there, na? Right? We are asking the question and we are putting in the form of a meal, right? So there is no need of that. Okay. You are out of station, then you should bring your books and copies with you, right? How you will understand without book and copy, without writing, without that book? How will you do the answers? Okay. So I hope this much is clear to everybody today. Any issues? सब समझ में आ गया अच्छे से? सबको समझ में आ गया? देवांश, आरती, समझ आया? आयुषी, सॉरी आयुष, अनीश, अपूर्वा, आर्यन, भव्य, दित्या, लिपिका, नकुल, नव्य प्रजापत, नव्य मल्होत्रा, प्रतीक, संदीप, सेजल, उदय, समझ आया? क्लियर हुआ मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ? समझ आया आपको बेसिकली व्हाट इज योर आर्टिकल्स एंड वेयर वेयर वी हैव टू यूज द आर्टिकल? आर्टिकल क्या है और वो कहाँ कहाँ यूज हो रहे हैं, ये समझ आया है सबको अभी? एवरीवन क्लियर? Okay. So if you have clear with the articles, it's time to recall what we have studied. Right? अगर हमें समझ आ गया है जो हमने पढ़ा है, तो अब टाइम है हम उसको अप्लाई करेंगे, जिससे हमें पता चलेगा हमें कितना समझ आया. ठीक है? Clear to everyone? Should I give you a small recap, a revision of it, or you all have understood? Okay, it's okay, Ditya. Right. So clear to everyone now. Did you need to repeat the things? I will ask you now. I will ask you questions, and you have to answer me if you all have understood. Clear? Okay, if you have cleared. ओके. तो अब आपको जो ध्यान रखने वाली बात है, जो मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग से बताई है, वो ये है कि आपके पास आर्टिकल की जब हम बात करते हैं तो वर्ड्स यूज हो रहे हैं द एंड अ, राइट? और आर्टिकल्स में हमेशा आपके पास क्या आ रहा है? एक आ रहा है आपके पास डेफिनेट वन. इट इज चैप्टर नंबर 17, आर्टिकल्स. Okay, so in that you are having a definite article and you are having indefinite articles, right? In definite articles, you are using, you are pointing out a particular thing, that is the, okay. And when you are talking of indefinite articles, you are using a and an, right? That is which we are talking about the person or a thing spoken of, right? Clear everyone? Okay, so we are given with the different rules for the articles, right? That where we have to use the, where we have to use a, where we have to use and, right? When we are talking about any river, mountains, historical places, at that time we are using the. When we don't have to use any article, that is when we are giving out a particular person's name. Okay, we are talking about some substances, we are talking about the abstract nouns, we are talking about the names of the relations, or we are talking about some meal, we are talking about some places. Okay, So at that time you did not need to put the articles, right? Clear to everyone? So this clears your article. Okay, basically जब हम किसी आर्टिकल की बात कर रहे हैं तो कहाँ कहाँ हमें इसे यूज करना है वो हमें समझ आ गई। ठीक है, अब हम करेंगे इसके जो हम आपको पीछे दिए हुए हैं इसके exercises, right? And I hope you all will tell me the answers now. ठीक है, this is the time for you to tell me the answers for that. Clear? Okay, shall we begin? Okay, now in the first exercise it is being told you, it is being given to you, that is you have to put a or an in the following blanks. या तो आपको a put करना है या आपको and put करना है in the following article, right? Okay. तो सबसे पहले आपके पास है नंबर 1 डैश बॉक्स। ठीक है, तो द डैश बॉक्स क्या पुट करेंगे हम लोग? हम पुट करेंगे अ, राइट। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है आर, वी विल पुट एन आर। नंबर 3 अ बॉल। नंबर 4, okay wait, it is like that, it is given, wait a minute. Second is a minute, right? Third is an hour. Fourth is an orange. Your fifth one is a ball. Sixth one is an eagle. Seventh is a pencil. Eighth is an elephant. Right? Ninth is a tree. Tenth is a hat. 11th is an MLA. 12th is a committee. 13 is a one-man show. 14 is a skirt. 15 is अ नोटबुक 15 तक लिखो आप लोग, फिर हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे, राइट। If you have done all, it is good. Let others also do it, please. Okay. Okay, Kushal. Let others also do, beta. Quietly sit down and let others also do. Done? All of you have done? Buddha, Navya done? Sejal, Aryan, Anish, Aarti, Lipika, who else? Okay, so I'm writing the 16th one. So do complete this, please. Okay, done everyone. Sandeep is in very hurry to say bye, right? Ayush also. I think so. Hmm? Okay, so you all have been cleared with the things, articles, what we have done today, the exercises. Okay, so next class will complete with the exercise given on page number 71. Right? Okay. Thank you, all of you. Bye and take care.